What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Welcome to live stream. Here I'm doing a kind of not super complicated, but kind of complicated stuff. So that's one of them. Here I go. Top camera. Excellent. So will be videos like this on that channel. Then I do like summary, and it's usually going to DCC Train main channel. Whew. Try to show you like how I'm thinking about like complicated approach. The complicity, I'll explain everything. So this is ROCO new passenger car, like this. Show you right there. Yeah, and bring popcorn. You might need it. The body, like top, a little bit different, depends on the class. See, it's like second class, first and second, and this is second. Looks like bigger, but I don't know. Anyway, PKP Polish Railroad. I have cars from like 1999. I think I bought them in the Salzburg or something in Germany, or Austria. Same thing, made in Austria, all days, same, like pretty much everything. Because ROCO acquired Fleischmann, and I'm not sure what they're going to take from Fleischmann approach, you know. And when I did Fleischmann, it's just maybe a little bit faster and less complicity, but now I'm very cool with it. Explain everything with the tools, what you need to do. So not everyday installation, but I have quite those cars. So top camera back, and I don't have my finger codes yet because it's just the bottom, no problem. And I need my fingernails like a tool. So the subject is this holder connector for the coupler, one here and one here. So we need to get result like this. And now 4 wheels, they have pickups. All days, again, identical everything. Compared to older cars, they have a kit with bulbs and like a small spring here made of some brass type of material, kind of spring. So this axle, one wheel is insulated, the other one is not. So one point here, so we have one wheel pickup, same thing on the other side. Hello Kyle Stevens, what's up? Chassis, looks like chassis. Love it. And yeah, 25 years ago it was so cool. Yeah, lights in the car, details the same as right now, which is didn't change anything, but lights so good, flickering, but who cares? Right now we in 2025 with LEDs. Actually, I'm putting ESU bar with decoder and capacitor, energy saver, sort of, kind of. And I still want like 4 pickups. Yeah, means if it sits like on a frog, not powered, or some module layout, who knows. So it's like 1 pickup and that's it, pretty much. one and a half triggering between. Now I have 4 solid. So I'm using ESU. I'll show you. I'm going actually backwards engineering I need to measure exactly that part, how I modify it. I'll show you everything. So that just, so you understand how, when I'm thinking, it takes me like a day, sometimes a week. It's very unpredictable. But sometimes it's like 5 a.m. I'm waking up. Usually I'm waking up 5:30 every day from the army. Well, it's a lot of fun no matter what. And boom, idea. So I'm running to the tech bench here and try to figure out. So I did that left side, means this side. I did maybe 3 weeks ago or something. So I try what can be done also, insulated, like insert, okay? So 4 wheels insulated, and ROCO has kind of small contacts going to this area of the wheels, okay? I'm not sure, so that's what I'm saying. And it's the kit by itself, like 19 something, 11 euros, yeah, plus uncertain what's going on with the tariff. So I'm like, no, I'm doing what I have, and I have ESU here. So let's go over tools real quick, and I'll show you what I did. So what you need a Dremel, means something similar to Dremel, with a bit like that already, and like this, just easy to work. You need a kind of wires, but I'm using staplers to hold these guys. CA, I'm using only Loctite Professional. I have no affiliation. If they want to come to me, and I'm going to advertise for them, no problem, especially this one. Some of them okay. All right, next, pliers like that. I'll show you why. Means any pliers, but those flat, very nice. Of course, cutters to cut that stapler. Okay, tweezers, we're going to use it in a minute. File like that. Okay, any flat file. I'm not going to use it today for this presentation, but that's, you need it. Something like this. Again, not sure if Tamiya still makes it. It's like mini saw. Very cool thing. I have it for, again, 20 years, something, maybe even earlier. Maybe they still have it. Very nice, very sharp. Only for plastic I'm using. Okay, bit like this. And sorry guys, I'm okay with inches when it's more than an inch, and yards and feet and everything. But when it's less than inch, sorry. Why I have a question. Why Canada switched to metric? Unbelievable. Yes, so it's about millimeter. Let me get my magnifying glass. Less than millimeter, something like this. It's millimeter is fine. Yeah, bit like that. And we're going to use those. So I need to modify. When I'll open, I explain more. So don't have my, yeah, I need my finger nails to work. So let's take the small spring, video 4K, so you can see probably details. And OBS, if you guys using OBS and if it's not working well, so I guess they did another like 3 updates very quick in a row. It's a spring here, and it's working. I thought like my computer, I need new computer. Yeah, I need new computer, but I don't need like new computer. It's still great. Surface Surface, yeah, Microsoft Surface, so I'm drawing a lot on them. Okay, so now fingernails. So fingernails now. Sorry, will be some areas you're not gonna see it. So like that, taking the wheel. Okay, carefully. Okay, here. There we go. Insulation. No insulation. Marklin doesn't have insulation. I bought Marklin car. Oh, that was funny. In Frankfurt airport, it's long time ago when my wife, she's from Cincinnati, so she's an American, right? So when we travel back and forth, it's something like 1996, 1997. In Frankfurt on Main, in airport, they have Marklin store. I bought some car, like a passenger car or something. Yeah, small, something like this, baggage car. Put it on DC layout. I have no idea. I just came back to the hobby, and I never have Marklin, and it's shorted because axle. That's how they're working. Axle is actually shorted. There's ski, another third pickup. Oh, so funny. Okay, now what needs to be done? Let's move that guy out of here. Wheel. Okay. This is like small lock. I'm not sure, like holder. So that thing is no spring, so it's very freely. Okay. So to yank it, I'm going to the side, one of the side, and just like pushing it, and done. Okay, now I'm taking everything out. Don't need that bottom part. Okay. So now let's do review real quick. So that's the ESU pickup right here. So how I'm putting it together, I'm putting CA with this CA right there, putting that thing kind of, I'm not sure, on molecular level. I'm just made it up. I think they just getting distant, means it's not melting that plastic, period. Yeah, it's just like strong glue. But that thing, it's kind of probably cleaning it, and whatever it's doing, it's getting better contact. Just plastic, not that, because this is like the board material for electronics. Okay, then the point is that area exactly to the border of that circle, like exactly, boom, right there. Okay, that's my measurement. Means it's going a little bit, half millimeter this way, half millimeter this way, no big deal, right? But that's crucial. So then when it's glue, I'll wait probably like doing something 10 minutes at least. I'm taking this, making 2 holes, just manually, no biggie. And then I'm taking one stapler, right? Just one stapler. This is the best tool to bend. It's also Tamiya. Yeah, still Tamiya, I hope, around. Taking that and making this thing, all right? Putting it through, and with the same pliers, I'm just squeezing like no tomorrow. So these guys almost flat with that surface. Okay, almost. But I don't want any surprises. I'm taking Dremel, the small Dremel bit, and just making a little bit like a small pocket for it, like a hole, just in case. All right, now I'm going to do measurements and make it like close up, so in the future, so the material needs to go can go maybe 1 millimeter this way, just be on the safe side, and about 2 millimeters from that notch, or how you call it, right? So this is modified and this is original. Ivan Maximov, hello sir. Okay, so when I'm putting wheel, it's more complicated to figure out to test it. So I'm assembling everything like that without the wheel, because the wheel is just no big deal, but it's a little bit complicated to put wheel properly. But I got it, no problem. I like those things. All right, so measurements. Let me put it like next to here in that square. This is square inch. I think it brings me idea in the future. Means I did the first one and I installed and I didn't touch it for like 10 days, maybe 2 weeks, just figure out maybe something I can do better. No, that's just great. One more time. 1.5 millimeters from this notch or whatever, then about 2 millimeters, better millimeter from, yeah, about almost 2 millimeters from here. So that thing needs to be clean, nice. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting, I'm not gonna do it, I'm just showing. So I'm cutting, like making my cutting point here. All right, almost deep enough, and then I'm taking Dremel, actually cutting here, then I'm cutting this guy, the whole piece of meat here, right? And this is fast. Then I'm taking Dremel and start trimming a little bit, but that's what I'm going to measure right now. It's that almost equal, means the thickness, try to, oops, yeah, that thickness, that's the crucial, yeah, from here to here, maybe some a little bit area, but it's free, moving free, absolutely no problem. So, and this is averaging, probably averaging, gets it's a little bit thicker on that end, but let's do like a really middle of it, yeah, something like that. So this will be to check the numbers, to find out numbers after the point. So it's almost, hold on, oh, it's more than millimeter. Oops, I thought it's less. It's almost like millimeter and 0.0 something, just a little bit. 0.1, not 0, 0.1, yeah, 0.05. Here we go. So see that thing kind of close to each other like this, 1.1. It's nice caliper. I thought about like electronic one, but if its battery goes down, and like, never mind. Old school works perfect. So here I go. And assembly is very easy. Of course, when AK is saying it easy, it's not. No, it is. So show you. First, I'm just putting this guy through wires. Yeah, now I can do like in one shot like 3 cars easily. Like, what I like to do, I like to do like a batch. Probably 3 cars, all couplers, all modifications, assembly, then putting LEDs, stuff like this. It depends. It should be not really tiring me. Okay, so now I can squeeze that with the wheel. What I'm doing right now, it's impossible. No, literally impossible. Now I'm positioning this because there is like a small like point sticking out. Okay, but now it needs to be locked. So what I'm doing, I'm moving it one of the corners, squeezing it. That's it. Nice, and putting spring, and we're done. Oh yeah. Whew. Wrong side. Starting with this, coming from this side to the other side. Here I go. Gotcha. It's like catching. Of course, when I'm doing this on the camera, especially broadcasting, not recording, I can edit this, but no big deal. There you go. Almost got it. Which way? I thought I'm right. Here we go. So going this way, this way. Which way I'm going? Going this way. Oh, yes. Completed. Completed. Dun 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 dun. Wow. But the process took me literally. I'll show you real quick the flashman thing. Google turn layout on. Thank you. Gotcha, man. Gotcha. I just saw it today. Come on, Alex. Sorry, guys. Yeah, right there. Now I'm going to put my fingertips, okay? Because this is all customer cars. I'm just used to with the thumb. Here you go. Here you go. I'm using distilled water to clean the whole thing, just FYI, sometimes if I need to clean. So that is, took me some time to figure out also. This is Flashman. So, but I need to open the whole thing. Those holders assembly, wheels assembly, they kind of moving. I like that. They're a little bit easy. Not sure about how they're realistic, you know, but this is Flashman. We're talking about 30 years old technology. Sorry about that. Closer. Yeah, see, so those same pickups, and I have 4 contacts at like 90%. All right, works great. So as soon as I get pickup, capacitor will charge and the car is moving. If it's oxidized, some film on the pickups or wheels, it will be cleaning when it's moving. That's it. So ta-da! All right, guys, I hope it wasn't really complicated. Hopefully, when I'm watching different guys videos, some of them long, always bring me ideas. So, or what I shouldn't do. That's another point. That's the take-home message. Yeah, watch the video and like don't do it. And always, please use Kapton tape. Kapton tape for insulation and proper shrink tubing. Sumitomo, good stuff. If they want my advertising, guys, Sumitomo, contact me. I'll give you the best advertising almost every day if you want. On every single installation, let's say. Because yes, every single installation I'm using shrink tubing. Shrink tubing, is that correct? That's like 99.9 is correct. All right, guys, thanks for watching. There is link in on top of it, and I'll put link later when the video process. You can buy me a coffee or join membership. I'm working on the website very hard. I'm trying to put, like, right now I figure out how it's working. It's nice hosting, hopefully like 5 items per day. If you need something you not see, just contact me. There is contact form and phone number. You just need to click on Google advertising. Yeah. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.